ZRP has released a statement after threats from groups that are planning violent protest ahead of the ongoing CAP 3 deliberations in Parliament. Dzanabira mashoko echionekwa kunzi aiwa ZRP yopa warnings ichiti aiwa kune magroups ari kuonekwa kuzi they want to stage a protest against the CAP 3. Waya vachipwa warnings toti subscribe or like on the pay icon. Timina munomubuda nyika muchinzi. In the statement, the Zimbabwe Republic Police says it expects peace and the maintenance of law and order during the process. It warned that individual groups or syndicates who incites violence, spread threats on social media, or encourages unrest will face the full force of the law. The police also cautioned against actions that could lead to property damage, disruption of traffic, or public disorder, saying such behavior will be dealt with appropriately. The ZRP said it is on high alert to ensure public safety and urged citizens to report any involvement in planning or promoting disturbances through official police channels. Doma developments are posta this letter ZRP statement on safety and security ahead of CAP 3 deliberations in the August House. Doma developments are this statement amurikuona inosainiwa na Paul Nyati, the ZRP commissioner. Zviruya zvinoda pachena kuti panguva inoi varikuya vachipa mathreats kune madissenting voices. Vanhu vese vari kuda kukonzeresa kana vada kuratidzira vada kuti to the law protesting and petitioning it is allowed, but ZRP inouya ichizvimisa zvese. Kuda comment section yedu dzofungura enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechirwere ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.